Door kind of steamy as we get into this afternoon, and those low wind storm chances today, but they do increase the storms due tomorrow going into Thursday. So we'll get to that in just a moment. Getting you out the door right now, though, we are looking at mostly cloudy skies. We're going to have a warm 77 taking you on out to DBU, and those temperatures are going to be warming up again for today. You see on the satellite radar composite here this morning, we will have the mostly cloudy skies. So a few breaks in the cloud cover out there today, and we'll warm up. Now the winds, they will be gusty out of the south in that 15, 20, 25 mile per hour range, and we're going to warm into the upper 80s, lower 90s, maybe even some mid to upper 90s over the western parts of North Texas as we go through the day. Now, as far as the storm chances are, we're talking about for today, we'll have that cap in place for most of the day, but sometime after 4 o'clock, the cap's going to weaken enough to maybe allow some thunderstorms to begin to develop late in the afternoon. So this is around 6 p.m. and any activity that we see will initiate well north and west, I think, of Dallas and Fort Worth today. And again, coverage will be low, but there will be some isolated thunderstorms as we go through the evening hours here for today, and then that will weaken as we head into the late evening and early overnight hours. And again, most of us will miss out on the storms altogether, but there is that slight risk for some severe storms that could produce some very large hail and some damaging winds. So be aware of that. But as we head into tomorrow, the storm chances will start to increase across the area. As we look at the coverage for tomorrow, again, it looks like it will be a late afternoon and early evening event. By 4 or 5 o'clock, we'll begin to see some thunderstorms developing across the area once again. They will become more widespread as we head towards 7 p.m. We see the showers and storms, how things may look and play out as we get into the evening hours. So around 8, 9 o'clock, still widespread showers and storms ongoing across parts of North Texas, and that severe weather threat will increase as we head into tomorrow. So some very large hail, the damaging winds, and we'll have that tornado threat as well. So we do have that enhanced risk for Wednesday afternoon and evening for those strong and severe thunderstorms, and then that will get repeated as we get into Thursday as well, as we'll have another round of strong, potentially severe thunderstorms getting into Thursday afternoon and evening. That may start a little bit earlier in the day, but you see, looking at the timecast, and again, we do have that slight risk for an isolated tornado along with some locally heavy rain during this time frame as well. So stay weather aware over the next few days. We'll be checking back and making updates to the forecast, but you see the coverage with the showers and storms will be about 60% getting into Wednesday and Thursday there. Lower end storm chances as we head into the upcoming weekend. Most of us will stay dry, but all of us will be sweating it out just a little bit. Those temperatures will be quite warm as we'll be in the mid 90s right through Memorial Day. All right, let's get back.